Hello guys. Hello guys. Uh, Thank you very much for visiting my channel this day. Uh, First of all, my name is John. I have tried sites for more than 1 year looking for the legit way to make money online. So whatever I'm going to tell you today is 100% legit. You are going to make money from this. I will not deceive you. But trust me, you are going to make money from this. So before I start everything, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be motivated to do more and to help you people to make money from online. No matter which part of the world that you are, you can make money from online based on what I'm going to teach you. So take everything serious. I'll make sure the video will be short so that you can get enough benefit from this video. So with what I'm going to teach you today, I'm going to teach you on how to make money while playing game on your laptop or on your phone, and this is 100% legit. It has been tested and it is approved by me. So I'll be showing you some withdrawal proof as well so that you know that whatever I'm saying here is really serious. So subscribe to my channel so that we can start. So first, let's go to the channel that the site that we are going to make money with is called Get Zencash. Get Zencash is right here. It's right here. Get Zencash. So you hit, then this the page. This is the page. But before you can start earning, you need your wallet address. You need your wallet address. And for now, the only exchange site that I know as as this one. This is the only exchange site that I know. So to get your wallet address, you can go to finance and then you come to savings and deposit withdrawals. Yes, so once you come here, no, I don't think it's this one, sorry. So you go to your wallet and then you come to your deposit and withdrawals. So you go to your wallet and then deposit withdrawals. Yes, so it's right here. Horizon, it's right here. So what you do is you just go to deposit. You go to deposit, then you have your wallet address right here. So you copy your wallet address and then you paste it right here. You can choose to do it on Brave Wallet so that you get 20% anytime you claim. Yes, so with this one you can claim it every 20 hours. Every 20 hours you come here and you claim, and anytime when you claim for 1 day, so you get a bonus. So the more days that you claim, the more bonus that you get. Yes, so it's 100% legit. Trust me, you earn from this site. So now let's try to check for the price of one horizon coin. Let's check for the price of one horizon coin. So one horizon, one zen to USD. So you can see the price of one zen to USD is what, 10. It's 10. So let's go back to the site. Yeah, so when you claim every 20 hours, you earn bonus. The more days that you claim, the more bonus that you get. So let me show you some. And withdrawal is instant. Withdrawal here is instant. Immediately you claim, they send it to your wallet straight away. So withdrawal is instant. So let me show you some withdrawals that I have made. My claim history. Here are withdrawals, as you can see. I have made a lot of withdrawals from this site. So like I said, it's 100% legit. You will not be paid. It's totally free. So now let's go to the main business, which is playing game on this site. And you playing game on this site, you can earn more than $10 a day. Even within 1 hour you can make more than $10. So as you can see, there's a game session here. So you go here and you click on the game. So my internet is a bit slow, so let's wait for it. So this is the game, and because of time I'm not going to play the game. Just want to show you how the game is. So this is the game. So this is the game. So let me show you withdrawals that I've made here. So you can play this game several times. You can play this game several times, and then you go here and then you go to convert. This amount that I have here, when I convert, I'm sure it will be more than one cent. So to convert, you just go here and convert. I want to get about 10,000 before I convert, so you just go here and convert. And let me show you withdrawal push from here too. So here are some withdrawals that I have made. So let's check. So as you can see, these are withdrawals that I have made. So you can see with this site, it's 100% legit. You don't have to invest anything. And the more time you play game, the more you earn. And don't forget to visit the site every 20 hours to claim your daily bonus. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can motivate me to do more. Thank you.